I'm Cobb Fry, and today I'm going to show you how to survive the harsh conditions of Somerset. Follow me! When trying to survive in Somerset, it's vital to have a good nutritional diet. I think I might have just found some. Just my luck. A bean chip tree. Looks fresh. Woo! Now just to find some salt and ketchup. No, leave the salt. It's delicious. It could really use some ketchup. Just my luck. A ketchup tree. Just right. Freshly off the branch. And where there's ketchup, there's salt too in the roots. Got myself some salt and ketchup. Oh, I spat out my food.